A surprise raid in Nashik's cafe and a question raised by Nashik youth. Was it about protecting culture or was it just a moral policing?
शहरामध्ये अशा पद्धतीच्या अनेक ठिकाणी हे व्यवसाय असे चालू आहेत आणि एकूणच नाशिकची संस्कृती बिघडवण्याचं काम चालू आहे. कॉलेजेसमध्ये देखील मुलींच्यासाठी जो अटेंडन्स जो आहे हा कंपल्सरी करायला पाहिजे.
Hello, this is Chitra Rajguru reporting from Nashik. On March 1st, Saturday, MLA Devayani Farande raided a cafe in Nashik's Gangapur Road area, alleging that the young couples are renting this space on hourly basis by skipping the college lectures to spend private time with their partners. She also questioned the changing culture of the city due to such activities. Though the legal action not has been taken against the cafe owner or the visitors, this entire scenario has raised some questions. What is Nashik youth's perspective on this entire scenario? Is it okay to skip a lecture and spend private time with your partner in cafe during college time? Are youngsters today responsible enough to behave in public places? And most importantly, was it fair to raid a cafe and confront young peoples like this? LokmatTimes.com took this question straight to the youth of Nashik and hear what they said.
Actually, I believe that this was a good step that they took, right? Because not
They,
only
as in the MLA and the police.
yes, the MLA and the police, the step they took was actually good step because privacy nowadays is an issue, no doubt. Couples require privacy,
Exactly.
but then where they are sitting, like it is a public place, right? How they are interacting with each other, there has to be some boundaries over there, I believe. Not only that, but even if that was not the scenario, so there are certain cases where the couples are getting harassed as well due to these kind of things, like ragging and everything is happening. So there has to be an this should have awareness that where to sit, how to behave at public places, and this action was necessary and mandatory to let them know that these kind of laws or these kind of things exist still.
To be clear, uh, like students are completely lying to their parents and their teachers. There is no communication between parents and teachers about what the student is doing actually.
As a human, it is our responsibility and pride that we should behave in a public spaces or atmosphere with some manners, etiquette. Yes, some etiquettes.
Like Nasik is a pilgrim city, very silent city. Now it is going to change rapidly due to, and it is mainly famous or it is popular now for due to this MD drugs and these all the things happens with us. But see, as a or as a college professors, what is my perception or what we are doing in practice? So we have to take care of their attendance. Then we have to communicate with their parents time to time, and parents have also that responsibility. Try to connect as a friend with the student. As a college, really, we have to take care of their attendance, their whatever they absent or present ratio, and the reasons behind this.